Hi, I'm Melissa, lead set stylist here at Taste of Home, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean your cast iron skillet. Cast iron is naturally prone to rust, but it can absolutely be fixed. No pan should ever be thrown away. First, get the pan wet. Add a little dish soap, and with your scrubber, remove the rust and all the baked on grease and grime. Make sure the pan looks uniform and not spotty from residue on the inside. Rinse the pan and make sure to dry completely. To season your skillet, add a small amount of vegetable oil and use paper towel to rub the oil all over the pan, including the bottom and handle. Take another paper towel to wipe off the excess oil. You do not want any pooling. Set your oven to 350 degrees and put some foil on the bottom rack. Pop the skillet in upside down on the upper rack and bake for 1 hour. Your cast iron skillet is as good as new. Head over to tasteofhome.com for hundreds of cast iron skillet recipes. It's time to get cooking.